wanna get a little taste, and I see you keep your body in shape. Look, I just wanna die. Damn, you look good, huh? Damn, you look good, girl, and you look good. Need to stop. Niggas came in 2 shots. I'm waiting to hit sugar free, quicker 2 pockets.
Second day we going to Animal Kingdom.
Wow. You already made it, right?
Hey guys, so this is my outfit of the day for Animal Kingdom. My little glasses. In case I'm feeling extra. I had my breakfast. That's here. From Waffle House. But we about to go anyway, so.
Where are we going?
I'm going to Animal Kingdom. Should be fun. I'm gonna be scared because I'm a scary one. But he told me not to be scared because I'm with him. So, I guess. On the 6th floor. On it. Oh, I'm recording. Oh, perfect. Nobody. Thank you, sir. Remember to get is thing, that whole iPhone.
What, for tomorrow, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the receipt for that.
Safety first.
Stools and wheelchairs must be folded and secure the floor of the train. For all my guests aboard, once you have any managers or bag a pencil subject to a security screening, if you have anything such as
Here. How fun. Ooh. Crying everyone. I'll be all in my hair. Where you want to go? Little parrot. Oh, oh, what? You leaving me? No. That tree is so cute. Africa, Pandora, Dino Land.
Go to Africa. I think that's what the. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. It must be a good thing because it's not. That means there's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it is big. You can tell, like, you probably don't even get to finish this thing. We're in Africa now. It's hot.
Real hot out there.
That's what I just said. I said I knew that was gonna happen. So y'all, it started raining, and we had
It
to.
was good.
Yeah, it was like real perfect, like not hot, none of that before it start raining. Then after the rain, oh my God.
Harambe Wildlife Reserve is a
Thank you, Arthur. As they say here in Harambe, it's one day, that means let's go. Alright, John, we're heading into the Safi River area. Safi River is home to animals like the Nile crocodile, maybe even some Nile hippopotamus if we are lucky. Now, those hippos are nocturnal.
In the water. You see it? Ain't that thing big.
Our left. But also to our left on that island is going to be those pink-backed pelicans. Their backs do turn pink during mating season. Stay safe as we cross over this bridge. Those are going to be the largest of the crocodilian in Africa. They span just about 16 feet in length, weighing up to 500 pounds. They can also live to 40 years old, and they will go after just about any animal, even animals that are larger than themselves. They do a very powerful bone-crushing jaw, so to travel a little bit to we have a really good comparison of these two antelope. One's going to be the female, Patterson's eland, the other's going to be that male. I'm sure you can assume that male is going to be over here on our left-hand side. He's going to be very large. He's going to be one of the largest of the antelope, as he weighs about 2,000 pounds. That female on our right-hand side, she's half his size, only weighing about 900 to 1,000 pounds herself. Now they are going to be the tallest of the flamingos. They're just about 4 to 5 feet tall, but they're also the lightest. By the way, elephants keep pulls when they flap their ears back and forth. You can kind of see the outlines of the veins in his ears, so when he does flap them, he's actually promoting blood flow, just like the Nkoli cattle, just a much more physical movement. He actually cools down about 15 degrees when he is flapping his ears back and forth. Also, elephants are usually very social animals. Hopefully you can find a couple more as we keep on moving forward, but it looks like that road is closed. We do want to get a little bit deeper into the reserve, so we're going to have to find another way up. And they are going to be the tallest of the flamingos. They're just about 4 to 5 feet tall, but they're also the lightest pink. They're born gray, and they develop that pink color from their diet of mostly shrimp, as it's a keratin the shrimp that will turn them pink. But flamingos are very good parents. When they build their nests, they usually build about 12 inches high. Alright. Alright, he came up just for a sec for us. That was great. Oh, there he goes. So yeah, that's usually where they like to sleep. That very sloped rock there. It's nice and cool down there. So usually we don't even get a chance to see him at all. But that was great. So lions are inactive for about 16 to 20 hours a day. They're going to be sleeping on those. Going to be these ostriches over here on our left-hand side. Looks like one's crossing the road too. We also see a couple more of those white rhinos that are laying down on our right. But ostriches are going to be the largest birds in the world. They're actually going to be the fastest thing on 2 legs. So they're running about 40 miles per hour. They have those massive wings, not for flying, but instead.
Look, careful. John, people are going to trip over your stuff here, dude.
Look at that one, looking down at us.
Endangered animals have sense.
Very I ain't know it go that high either. You scared. I record this for y'all, but I ain't getting on it.
I'm getting on
You
it.
see it going up? Hold on, let me zoom in. You getting on? Huh?
Everybody let them know, can you really hear you? Now, everyone, sing with us! Ha! Ha! Sing with us! Ha! Everyone, all together! Ha! Now it's not everyone, everyone! Ha! All together! Ha! Even louder! Ha! Now this side! Now this
like that guy. Probably. But now it's time to get everybody else involved. So, are you ready? Was that enough? No. No. Okay, hang on a second. This is so quiet.
I'm taking a little break. Oh. He's about his speaker. We had fun so far.
Not over yet.
And the wait for one of the rides is like an hour, almost 2 hours. And then the other one is like an hour and 15 minutes.
So I got a fast pass.
We're about to get on another ride.
Navi River journey.
So we're finally leaving. It's, I don't know what time at night. So we about to get on this little thing. So it can take us to our car. Bye. This thing. Hurricane grill. I'm gonna get me some.
Like 20 wings for herself.
Wow. Now y'all know I ain't that greedy. Greedy, but not that greedy. I'm gonna get 10 though, just to keep safe, you know. Hold my stomach.
Alright, don't take none of mine. Again.
He lying now because I don't be taking stuff. He offer it and then I feel a little extra room and I be like, alright, I just eat it. He crazy.
I want to get 5.
What?
I want to get 5.
Yeah, right. He getting 20 by himself. Ooh. We got our wings fried. Dang, you greedy. So, we made it back to the hotel. And I'm sleepy. I'm tired. I had fun. Okay. Yeah, he tired. No, he ain't tired. He said he ain't tired. But I'm exhausted.